Lekker. Well, good morning everyone. So yesterday I phoned up AJ, told him I want to go and fish today. So we had a couple of plans what we wanted to do, and yeah, and then about half an hour after we decided what we're going to do for the day, we were supposed to go and scratch for some edibles, see what variety of species we can catch. And half an hour later I just phoned him and said, AJ, how do you feel like going to try and catch a galjoen, get a couple of beers on ice, and we braai the galjoen and we have a couple of beers? And he said, sounds like a plan to him. So AJ, my brother, for the guys that you haven't seen him before or first time watching Zulu fishing, my brother AJ the beer, is here with me today. He's joining me, and he's down the beach here somewhere fixing up his braid. He's got an issue with his braid, he's going to switch it around or do something, I don't know. So I'm going to make a throw salon, see if we can't catch a galjoen, and then later during the day, hopefully if we get a decent sized fat galjoen, we'll fillet it, throw it on the braai, have a couple of ice cold beers, and lekker, let's catch a galjoen. I don't know if I'm so excited about catching the galjoen. I'm more excited about beer and eating the galjoen. I just quickly want to show you guys the spot that we chose. It's still fairly high tide. The tide is dropping already, but I just want to show the formation and where we're fishing and what we're looking for. So you guys know that galjoen is a fish that hang around the rocks and reef and like structured and working, foaming water. So first of all, that's what we were looking at. So I'm just gonna switch the camera and show you guys where we're fishing. So the swell slacked at the moment. As you can see, there's reef on that side there, there's reef on the outside there, and makes like a little hole running out here with a little rip going out. Those galjoen loves a rip that goes out. It just churns up everything and kicks up all the bait, and yeah, it makes it easier for them to feed. So if there's some swell coming through, you'll see where it's breaking and where it's not breaking. As I said, coming through, and yeah, you guys will see the gully running through, and in the gully there's a bit of working water. You can see it's breaking there, and it's breaking a little bit less there. That's most probably where I'm going to throw my bait. You'll see like a little hole there. Everywhere it's breaking a little bit less, that's a deeper section, and where it's breaking more, that's a shallower section. So I'm going to place my bait right about there. That's where I want to be. You'll find your bigger galjoen there, blacktail obviously, cracker if you're lucky, and yeah, just going to put a little red bait there and see if we can catch a galjoen. Oh, nearly fell off. Guys, something that is really important when you fish for galjoen is I see a lot of guys make this mistake. They just walk up to the edge of the water and they just chuck their bait in there, just throw. You need to wait for the set to come through and not just throw your bait into the set or into a wave, because all that happens is the wave will come and you'll throw your bait right in front of it, and it will just simply push you out of the zone where you threw. So rather wait for the wave to come past and throw over the wave in a little bit of calmer water, and then your sinker will go down to the bottom and you'll stay longer in the strike zone, and you'll actually be in the strike zone. If you throw in front of the wave and the wave pushes you out, you're going to be out of the strike zone. It's just going to wash you into another rock and you're going to get stuck. So yeah, that's just a little tip from my side, but I think it's time to get that bait out now. I saw a little spot there to my left, so I'm just going to take a chance there. It looks kind of foul there, but I'm going to take a chance if we want to catch a fish. Looks like one of those spots where fish will pick the rock up and hit your line off. But anyway, I'm going to give it a go. Yeah, sacrifice the weight. Oh, nice! Mother Nature left me a bucket. How beautiful is that? Lekker. Must be a fish here. We're just gonna back up and leave and find another spot. And there was a seal here, and you're not gonna catch a fish where there's a seal. There's no way. But those Galjoen, those seals hunt on the Galjoen, and we've often seen the seals that they dive and then they come up with the Galjoen and then they'll just throw it around, play with it while they eat it, kill it, and yeah. So there's just no way that you'll catch a Galjoen. There's a seal in the area because they enjoy eating Galjoen as much as I do. So I think we're just gonna pack up and go and find another spot. So yeah, see you guys there. Hopefully with a bending rod. Gooi so half skyn so. Oh, I just got this nice gully, about 1.82 kilos. Yeah, just gonna put it in a pool, and once we're done fishing in this little hole, because it's a small hole, we'll put it back. It's too big. I prefer those between 36 to 42 centimeters to keep. This one is too big. This is your breeding stock. You need to look after these bigger fish. My son. Ja, ek was heeltemal te haaste. Het jy gesien? Hy is te klein. 6 mense. Ja, die mense. Nee, hy is te klein. Okay, so AJ's Galjoen was a little bit too big, mine is a little bit too small, but AJ threw his fish in a pool there at the back, so I'm just going to add this one there, so you don't chase Galjoen away. So once we leave, we'll sort out the fish and choose the one that we want if we catch more, and then we'll just throw them back. But I'm just going to add this one there. Tiny little thing, too small. One thing about a galjoen is that's a really rugged fish. It doesn't need a lot of water or a big pool. It can survive for a long time there. We'll just release them once we're done. It's a galjoen. Get there. A baby. Okay, so we're gonna move spots. Tide got a little bit low here, so just gonna capture these galjoen and then put them back and then find another spot to fish. Okay, AJ, will you manage there? There's one. Nothing. That's a lucky fish. Too small, too big. Lekker. Okay, where's the other one? He's a bull. Come here. Gappy? Guys, one thing that about a galjoen is watch the thing speed off. Okay, there you go. Got a just sized fish now, about 36 centimeters. Gonna put it in the pool, and if you're going to get a fatter fish, we'll braai that one, put this one back. So let's see. Hello, Braai! Well, enough is enough. It's time to build a fire, make a lekker fire for ourselves. My belly is shouting beer and galjoen at this moment. So I think it's time that we make a fire and cook that galjoen up. Woo! Like I'm hungry now. Luckily AJ got that one perfect size galjoen, but hopefully it has a little bit fat in it. It didn't look like it was a little butter ball, but we'll just have to make the best of it. At least we know the beers are cold. Huh? Hey! Gemors.
anchors daar.
Ek kry elke goeie trek, maar dan los hulle my. Maar
Ja,
hierdie aas in my is net tiete. Dis net,
ja, ek het die stellig gehad nou.
die aas is te hard.
Maar visse daar is baie jong vis daar.
Wat is die kos? Jy kan kies. Maar dit is 'n das wat jy gevang het daar. Nie ideaal nie, maar joef, hy is 'n plan.
Ja, hy is 'n plan.
Ja, nee, dat is een size. Dis
Ja.
die size.
Ja,
Oh, it's almost 36. Okay, so we have two similar size galjoen here. We're gonna see which one we're gonna braai. Oh, this one looks like it needs to eat a little bit more. That one is going back. So a little bit of fat on this one if you look at it, yeah. And the tail there. Nah, not really fat, but it looks better than this one. This is a skinny little thing. We're just gonna put this one back. Okay. Just blood your lekker day. See, sometimes it helps to be skinny. That thing had a little bit more fat, you would have been on the braai. But that one looks a little bit better, but not that much. It doesn't look too great, but anyway, something needs to be eaten right now. Wat is bier? What is up? I just want to share a secret with you guys that when you're going to braai a fish and when you braai next to the water, the most important thing that you need to remember to make the fire, some blitz.
Knife is very blunt.
AJ is going to fill the galjoen for us here. So what we like to do is we like to let me just get you. We like to bleed the galjoen and then we keep it whole and then we just fill it from the top and we just open it. So basically butterflying the fish and then you just chuck the intestines away. It would have been lucky if we had a little butter ball, but actually the color doesn't look too bad.
It's fine.
So a galjoen, when you, no, the color is not too bad.
There's some fat in it.
Yeah, so when you fillet a galjoen and the meat is like a green color, you know it's really skinny. And when it's
No, look there.
no, there's a little bit of fat. There's a little bit of fat.
This slap is down.
Yeah, it's not as bad. No, so that's going to be a lucky little fish. There's some fat. Yeah, no. Oh, so yeah, there's a little bit of fat, but check the color of the galjoen. If it goes to like a white, light grey color, the lighter in color it is, the fatter it is. So, yeah, this fish isn't green, so
There's nothing wrong with this.
yeah, oh, it's going to be a lekker fish.
I'm gonna eat like I don't know what Anna's gonna eat.
Guys, if you think our priorities are totally wrong, we already had a beer on the way here, so don't worry, but we're gonna have another 2 or 3 now. AJ? 2 or 3. Fire is burning mooi.
Nee, is Anna. vet.
Marble 'n bietjie daar.
Wagyu.
Ons wil op die klip.
Galjoen wagyu. Ek het al wagyu daar. Dis wagyu gesien.
Yeah. So guys, we don't like to do a lot of things on a galjoen. Salt, pepper, maybe some Robertson fish spice if you want to spoil yourself, and a little bit of paprika. But I prefer my galjoen with just salt and pepper, and that's it, nothing else. So just sprinkling a little bit of some salt there. We're just going to leave it there on the rock, let it wind dry a little bit. Nee, het is nie magic chef style gedoen nie, Jay. Die chef dusting.
Ek is hier TikToker. Op die rooster.
Hey guys, I've been using this bag for a while now. It's a Kluge cooling bag, backpack, and it's been really lekker. Go and check them out on Instagram. I'll put a link to the website down below as well. And then look at those beers, beautiful, ice cold. Yeah, go and check it out. Awesome stuff. And yeah guys, like I said, Kluge bags, nice and thick, easy to carry around, seals, multi-purpose bag, but it's actually a cool bag. It's nice and thick around here. The bottom, just roll it up, keep it ice cold. Like I said, link will be down in the description. Go and check it out. Really awesome bags, really lekker. That's the job. Hello. the galjoen is simmering there on the this is the camera there on the Ajay was showing his ass to me, but anyway guys, so while the galjoen is simmering here on the coals, it's like 90% done. Yeah, what we did today is a perfect example of how ethical fishing works. Is you catch a fish that you want to use, and you're gonna use that fish. So AJ got a good sized fish. It was too big for what our needs was, and we put it back. We caught a couple of smaller fish, we put that back, and until we got the perfect size fish that what we guys wanted and what we needed, and we kept that, put it on the braai. Nothing wrong with keeping a fish. So guys, I can't put enough emphasis on ethical and sustainable fishing, because the damage has not been done in the past year or two or even 10 years. The damage has been done 30 years ago. So it's up to us to make a difference in the future. So rather keep a smaller fish, and the fish that you actually need to feed the family or feed whatever you're about to do today. Don't keep those big fish that provide a lot of eggs and a lot of offspring. Those are the fish that's going to be securing the future of other fish. So guys, I please practice catch and release. Please practice ethical fishing and sustainable fishing. Nothing wrong with keeping a fish, enjoying it around the fire with your boat, your family, your friends. Nothing wrong with it. But please guys, there's a right way to do things. And yeah, I reckon that thing is nearly done, and I can't wait to have it. It's going to be so lekker. Yeah, galjoen is done. So guys, what we like to do with the galjoen is we like to put it the meat side first, seal it, and then turn it around, keep it on the skin side at a low heat. But we didn't have that luxury here with our primitive braai here. But I think it came out not too bad. Look at that. Woo, fresh. Goodbye. Lekker. Yeah guys, sorry, this thing is so delicious. So, couple of cups. Yeah guys, we're gonna enjoy the rest of this galjoen. A little table there, put the grit on that, and just devour this thing. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you want to see more of Zulu fishing, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Lekker. Hoe van mij? Lekker.